gosh, I'm so excited! This is it? I love it. Yay. This is the camping trip? Ugh. Hi. Hello, let's go to bed. Yeah. Hey, Josefina, what do you want? I wonder what's in their bag. I guess we could look. Cool. Ooh, sunglasses. She has so much cool stuff. I like it. And ooh, this is awesome. Sunglasses, glasses. It's even comfy. I'm awake. I thought my stuff wasn't unpacked. Yeah, me too. I guess not. I'm gonna sit now. We should probably go to bed. Yeah. Hey, Kit. What? Hey, did you hear that? It's probably just your imagination. Go back to bed.